Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do battery charging speed test of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 to see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future upload. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 comes with a 4400 mAh battery with 25 watt charging. So we are going to use a compatible charger for this testing purpose, and we will use this another smartphone as the time. So if I try to switch on the device, you can see it's showing 0%. So let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So after 5 minutes, the battery percentage is 8. So after 10 minutes, the battery percentage is at 18 now. So it's 20 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it is at 36% now. So even though it comes with just 25 watt charging, it seems the battery charging speed is good enough for the 4400 mAh battery here. So it's 40 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And now it's at 69%, as you can see. So let's switch on the device. So here you can see super fast charging. And it will take 39 minutes more in charging the battery up to 100% from 70%. So we can expect around 1 hour 20 or 25 minutes in charging the battery up to 100% from now on. So after 50 minutes, it's at 78% and 34 minutes until full. So after 1 hour 2 minutes, the battery percentage moved to 90, and it is showing it will take still 25 minutes more in charging the battery from 90% to 100%. So after 70 minutes, it's at 94%, and it will take 17 minutes more in reaching 100% from now. So after 1 hour 20 minutes, it's at 97% and 6 minutes more to go. So 99% after 1 hour 22 minutes 30 seconds, and it says 4 minutes more to go until full. So now it is showing 1 minute until full. So let's go to the battery setting and let's see at what time exactly it's going to be 100%. And after 25 minutes 56 seconds, the battery percentage moved to 100 from 0%. So you can expect around 85 minutes, more and less. As you can see, it's 86 minutes exactly. So as you can see, the battery charging speed is just 25 watt, and because of that it's taking great amount of time, even though the battery capacity is just 4400 mAh on our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, as many more videos of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.